What's up, guys? In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can transfer money to your bank account from PayPal account. Okay. Be aware that basically, once you get paid by PayPal, okay, we got a wallet. Okay. Here you got the option pay and get paid, and you got here my wallet. Okay. Means that every time you receive a payment through PayPal, um, you're going to receive it here, and the amount is going to be a balance. Okay, virtual balance. Okay, so the transfer won't be automatically. You need to do it manually. All right. So to do it is very simple. You just have to click on here, transfer money. Once you're on the dashboard and log in your PayPal account. Okay. Also, you have the option here to pay and get paid and bank and cards or bank and account cards. I think it's the name. All right. So once you get transfer money, um, you should have connected already your bank account. That is this one. Okay. If you don't see your bank or something, you need to connect first your bank account. So um, in order to do this, all right, you got option here to pay bank and cards. Okay. And then if you have already connected, okay, you're gonna see something like this. That is my credit cards and debit cards and also the banks, okay? But if you don't have any bank account connected or link it in this case, you got an option here to link a card and also link a bank. Okay, so you just click it and the program is going to ask you for um, uh, depending of your case, it's going to ask you for account name that is going to be personal or business. Okay, it depending of that. Okay, and then it's going to ask you for the number and this kind of things. Okay, this is because we are in Europe. Okay, but if you're in the United States, you're gonna have something like this. All right, so this is something like that you see once you're gonna link your bank account. It's going to ask you for a bank account sort code and account number, or also the digits number, then your name, and the data of the debit card itself. All right. So coming back to the transfer money option, so you just need to click it here, and then you got options to do it in an instant payment, like I said, an instant payment, or the fees. I mean the options in 1 or 3 days. Okay, this must be Labor Day. I mean journal dates. Okay. So the difference between this is that there's a fee um, that is 1%, okay, of the money that you're going to transfer, okay? And this one is completely free, all right? And the fees may apply because it depending of the account or depending of the uh, bank where you are trying to transfer the money, depending also the country and this kind of things. But normally it's free, all right? Then your balance is going to be less, of course, in here, okay? And that's it. I hope this helped you. And if you have any questions or doubt, just leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you next one.